All right, Sue and I just completed a portable sidewalk. What's a portable sidewalk? You're looking at it. It's our structural patio sidewalk slabs, decorative, of course. And we just got done laying them down. We ground stabilized the ground with a rototiller, and we put Portland cement in the soil and tamped it. We ended up with a very hard surface. And then we laid a bed of sand, as you can see on the edges here, to level it for the final leveling. But you can see underneath here is the ground stabilization. It's really hard. It's like concrete, and then the bed of sand. So we're going to put mortar in between these joints, and we're actually going to put a thin border all the way around. That's going to really lock these slabs in really good. We're going to use a pea gravel mix, so it's really not going to be mortar. It's going to be concrete in between all this. So very structural, they're very solid, and Sue and I are very happy with the results, and the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching.